Hi everybody, Pecoraro here. We're going to be watching my friend Kelly do her personal training session. She's going to start things off with a little bit of jump rope and an arm maintenance routine that she does weekly. Jump rope is efficient cardio. If you're looking for an effective cardio option, jumping rope is one of the best exercises you can do because it works total body strengthening, improves bone density, increases agility and coordination, improves balance, and can train power. Remember, strength and speed is how you get power, and while your muscles are working to get stronger, when that rope comes, you got to move your feet as quickly as possible in the shortest distance possible. What we did here in this opening workout before the workout, this precursor to the workout, is a round of jump rope for 1 minute and then one arm exercise. Begin with the shoulders, trying to hit every major muscle group. So the lateral head of the deltoid, we hit twice, and we do that with an overhead press and a lateral fly. And then the front or anterior head of the deltoid, we do with an alternating front raise. Then we have a bent over shoulder fly. Then we move on to the triceps and we do an overhead press and tricep kickbacks. And then we do an exercise called biceps 21, which is 7 curls halfway up, 7 curls from the middle to the top, and 7 full curls. Thank you, DOG, thank you. I told him about biceps 21. That's right. And D, hey. So what Kelly's doing here is some pretty dynamic weightlifting exercises. It's going to be a HIIT workout, so she's going 60 seconds of maximum reps with a 30-second rest on almost everything. And she's going to do 3 rounds. Anaerobic exercise. It's similar to aerobic exercise, but it uses a different form of energy. Anaerobic exercise includes high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, and weightlifting, circuit training, Pilates, yoga, martial arts. These can all be different types of anaerobic exercise. This exercise offers many health benefits. It's a great way to improve your cardiovascular endurance. It's a great way to build and maintain muscle, and it's a great way to lose weight. Now, along with aerobic exercise, anaerobic exercise should be a regular part of your weekly workout routine. Aerobic means with oxygen, and anaerobic means without oxygen. Now, both are important for your overall health because they can challenge your body in different ways. Anaerobic exercise involves short, fast, high-intensity exercises that don't make your body use oxygen like it does for cardio or aerobic activities. So you don't maintain a steady pace with anaerobic activities. What anaerobic activities do is break down glucose that's already in your muscles and use it as a form of energy. Aerobic exercises rely on energy stored in your body from carbs, protein, fat, and oxygen that you breathe. Now, you usually repeat the anaerobic movements anywhere from 10 to 15 seconds up to about 60 seconds. You have a short recovery interval and then you move on to another type of movement. Aerobic exercise is a little bit easier to do for a longer time, depending on your physical ability. Now, there's often a gray area where anaerobic and aerobic exercises overlap. Your aerobic exercise may turn into anaerobic if you raise the intensity past the point where you're able to sustain the activity. So imagine if you were doing a run and you're at a steady pace. So it's aerobic and you're feeling very comfortable and you feel like you could go forever. But then all of a sudden you start to sprint and you sprint hard. Really pushing yourself on that sprint. All of a sudden that comfortable runner's pace that was very aerobic turns into an anaerobic workout. So the different types of ways in which you can do anaerobic exercise would be if you took a class that had high intensity interval training as its main philosophy, if you did strength training, weightlifting, that challenges your body and you don't wait too long, you don't wait more than 2 minutes between sets, or calisthenics like jump squats, jump rope, things like this. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and if you like our videos, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Have a good rest of your day. See you next time.